declaration of a state of war. Kids know the lines are drawn. Revolution is touching all of our lives. Freaks are revolutionaries, and revolutionaries are freaks. If you want to find us, this is where we are. In every tribe, commune, dormitory, farmhouse, barracks, and townhouse, where kids are making love, smoking dope,
and charging lithium battery packs.
Fugitives from American justice are free to go.
I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free, baby. I'm free, baby. I'm free.
Imagine for me artistic utopia, a world bathed in light and joy. Imagine a world where being a freak is an advantage, and normality is but a foreign concept. Welcome to glitter. Welcome to my world, where the fame flows freely and dreams literally do come true. Life is a show. The street is your catwalk, and fame is the air you breathe. Or at least it was. You see, our world, every world, is made up of contrast. Forever chasing one another, they coexist. But denying one only empowers the other, and the equilibrium is hence destroyed. Were we so blinded by light that we didn't see the shadows it cast? The theft of the disco stick, the rise of the monster, and the fall of the fame we held so dearly in our hearts. That was our undoing. That was our naivety. But within the darkness shines platinum hope. The moon shall rise and the animals shall howl, and the war of the monsters will begin.
Yeah, sure, I'm an anarchist. I'd rather be an anarchist than a professional.